Well, hello and welcome back to FXCM. My name is Sebastian. I'm going to teach you today how you can use your TradingView coupon. Okay. So, first of all, we need to go to the TradingView website. It's tradingview.com. We have right here the main page, and in the top right corner, we're going to have the possibility right here in this little person, to enter into our account. Okay. So we are going to sign in. First, we are going to connect our account with Google, Facebook, X, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or we can select another email. Okay, so we are going to select one of these ones for us to enter into our account. So for the video, I'm going to use a Gmail account. Well, when you enter into your account, you are going to have different options. The one that we have to select is this one. It says operate now, 30-day free trial in the top right corner. So we are going to hover over this option and we're going to select this. Then you're going to see the whole plans that we have for you. Okay, remember that if you deposit more than $300, you are going to get an essential account. Then if you deposit more than $1,000, you are going to get a plus account. And then if you deposit more than $5,000, you are going to get a premium account. For this one, we are going to select the essential one. Okay, so we are going to change this option to monthly plan. And then we are going to go to the essential. We just need to select where it says right here or skip trial and pay now. We need to select pay now, with each one of the plans we are going to select pay now. Okay, so for this one we're going to select the essential one, and then we're going to have the price of the product. We need to select next and next again, and then we need to file out this information. This is just for the registration process. So we need to have the card number, the cardholder name, the expiration date, the security code, and the mailing address information, such as the country, city, address line, state, region, zip, and postal code. Then, right here in the top right corner, you are going to see the price of the essential plan, and we are going to have the possibility to have a promo code where we are going to be able to find out the information about the code. Okay, so this one is going to be sent by your representative in FXCM. So we're going to help us with bonus that we have right here. So we are going to file out the whole information about the bonus. Okay, and when you finish right here filing out the whole information about the promo code, that is your coupon, you just need to click right here where it says apply, and then you need to go below where it says that you authorize the terms of use and the privacy policy of TradingView. Okay, so we are going to verify that, and then we are going to complete your purchase. Remember that sometimes a price up to $1 is going to be charged to your card. That is just for the platform to verify your card and your identity. So that's all. That is how you can use your TradingView coupon. I hope this works for you, and thank you so much.